He beat her daddy. That's our view here, folks. There's about 20 tractors in this class. We got one coming up. I think there's 30 in. This is Metcalfe County Fairgrounds, Edmonton, Kentucky. FFA fundraiser, alumni fundraiser. It's been a great show. I think it's 140 some hooks total, 144, and we're not done yet. But I just want to let y'all see our view from world headquarters here. We got people explaining things about tractors. She's been out taking pictures and videos and stuff. And we blew a fuse a while ago. We was in the dark. But that's what we got going on here at Edmonton. See, y'all can't see, we can't see. But when it gets down to the end, we'll all be able to see. But that's okay. We've had a great time here tonight. And we're not done yet. .281.45, 8-mile-an-hour even, so that puts Brianna Judd in first place right now. But that's what we got going on here in Edmonton. Josh, you should have brought it. We had a 60-30 here out of Georgia. He only run one time, and there's a gate down there at the finish line in. Well, he got a little close. That's a very hot tractor out of Georgia. I don't know. We got one more heavy class. I don't know if he's going to run again or not. Honestly, I hope he does. Very, very hot John Deere 60-30 out of Georgia showed up here tonight. Yeah, Josh, you should have brought, should have let you know, I guess. I shared the flyer 2 or 3 times, but been a good show here for the FFA alumni in Metcalfe County. We had to turn all of our heaters off because we blew a fuse. But that's what we got going on here. We got pure farm tractors, enhanced tractors, altered farm tractors, a little bit for everybody, and they've done a great job of keeping everybody where they belong tonight. Hotter tractors have not pulled in the pure farm class, and that's hard to do. Keep them separated like that. They've done a great job here. Josh, hopefully I'll see you. Are you coming to Halls next week? That's our plan, to come to Halls, Tennessee next week. They have had a wonderful turnout today. Uh-oh, look. You get a glimpse of a tractor pulling. That's Calvin Judd pulling his wife's tractor. But that's what we got going on here. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bring old Wicked on down. Maybe Wicked will stand up for the crowd again. 205.86, 205.86 at 6.6, 205.68 at 6.6 miles an hour. Yeah, Josh, old Wicked to start. I don't know, let's see, there's 20 in this class. We got a class coming up later on. I think there's, oh no, there's 29 in this class. 29. I ain't seen him. That might be that little fella wanting to know if he could jump a fence earlier, and I told him he better not. No, it's near. He's older now. Well, anyway, we got our lights back on. That's the main thing. We got our lights on. All right, next up is Billy Komar, lane Judd and Logan Pace will be the next three. See, if I stand up, you can almost see the tractor going to take off down there. Almost. We'll try that. 29 tractors in this class. This is a pure farm tractor class, 8 miles an hour. There's another place we'll be able to see. Well, if I stay on till the end, you'll be able to see, but with all these tractors here in line, it's kind of hard to see. 256.67, 256. 0.67 and 6.6 miles an hour. And our boys still ain't 100%. Been that way all month. Hopefully soon we'll get it back totally. Maybe. There goes the sled backwards, y'all. Watch him, watch him, watch him. We've got a big orange tractor, a big orange tractor, big orange tractor. Well, Josh, half your work's done then if it's still loaded. I hope we have good weather next weekend because Halls is always a big pull. Larry Phillips and a whole bunch of the light supers are coming. I was told here tonight by some people in Larry's family that's here. It's always a good time at Halls, Tennessee. Uh-oh, look, we got a cab tractor. We got a Massey Ferguson with a cab. A big International back there with a cab. These are pure old farm tractors here. The way it all started years ago. And there is the man responsible for all this. Garrett Judd, he put one heck of a pull together here. Been a really good show. Nick, you need your farm tractor, buddy. We had some of the Indiana tractors here, some of the John Deeres. They're pulling with the Indiana Pulling League, put on a good show. I think they got tired and decided they're going home. I think we still got 1 or 2 more altered farm classes. Uh-oh, we'll get to see a tractor pull in there for just a second. That's our view right here, but that's okay. Might see a little bit more. Uh-oh, look, somebody's out of gas. Out of gas. Hey, we've all had fun here tonight, too. Everybody has had a blast. 236.38, 236.38, 5.5 miles an hour for Lane Judd. Logan Pace, Little Joe Shive, Hayden Hawkins will be the next three. And look, we had heat till we blowed a fuse, and it took forever to find out that's what we'd done. I thought my old house was the only house that had, only place that had fuses. Nope, we got them here at World Headquarters. in Edmonton. Now where's this little feller going? He says I'm out of here. Now that's going to open it up where we can see a little bit more. Not a lot, but a little bit. Okay. Logan Pace, you'll be up next, followed by Joe Shive, Caden Bart, and then Hayden Hawkins. But I want you to just look at all the tractors. Big turnout, Nick. FFA alumni benefit here in Metcalfe County. He tooted the horn. Doggone it. But yeah, it's been a great show. We started at 2 o'clock Central Time and we're still going. .248.05 at 8.4 miles an hour, so that .4 knocked that in the head. Joe Shive, you'll be up next. Yeah, speeding ticket issued, and Calvin Judd, he's about out of flour. He said anybody that wipes a line out the rest of the night, I don't care, they're disqualified. But other than being low on flour and blowing a fuse, we've had a good time here. There's a big old 540 cubic inch Perkins. No wonder they had to put some fuel in it. But it's been a really good show. The Altered Farm Tractors put on a good show. Now we've done some lighter farm stock. This is starting of the heavier stuff. Oh look, I go and pull him, get him started. Got him. Got him. Shoot, we'll be able to see something here directly. All right, Little Joe Shive hooking up now. Caden Park and Hayden Hawkins. He was rowing the boat. He don't know he's on Facebook Live. He keeps revving that motor up, he'll be out of fuel again time to get to the track. There's Little Joe. That's a tough old tractor right there. I don't know why he stopped, but he did. He looked around and just stopped. 188.19 for Little Joe Shive. 188.19. 7.6 miles an hour. Maybe he just wanted to give everybody else a chance. Don't know.
They said Hayden was switching spots.
Okay, that'll be fine. Make a pull right at the gate.
That's right. Yeah, Hayden and Hayden.
He's gonna keep revving that motor up. He's gonna be out of fuel again. But that's okay. We've had fun. That's what it's all about.
These kids are annoying, aren't
And our crowd, they have moved down to the fence down there where everything's going on. We still got some over across the way. Had a really good crowd before dark. When it got dark, got cool. I think everybody just moved down there to the fence. We done had to get them back a couple times. And probably gonna have to again. Alright, move Caden. Caden Park is up now. Going to be followed by Hayden Hawkins and Corey Englert. Well, you can't see the tractor, but you can see the smoke. That's a start. Choked him out, choked him out. 214.19, 214.19 at 6.8 miles an hour. Next up be Hayden Hawkins, if he don't run out of fuel. Oh, look, we're actually going to be able to see the starting line. 29 in this class, I believe it was. 29 tractors in this class. And these are pure old farm tractors. Alright, Hayden Hawkins hooked up now.
Caden's pool was 214.19.
.44, 208.44, 6.7 miles an hour. Well, Nick, it sure is a bunch up here. I will pass the word on right now. Hello. I'm good. Okay. June 16th, Gordon, Indiana. 16,000 pound pure stock tractors, dual wheels allowed. We'll pass that on again. That's June the 16th, Gordon, Indiana. 16,000 pound pure stock, dual wheels allowed. Nick, you'll get a bunch of tractors there. So Danielle's here somewhere, Dwight. I hadn't seen her, but that don't mean nothing. Danielle Allen, hello. Uh-oh, we just see the starting line again for a minute. Now we got Corey Engler on the big Alice Chandler hooked up. Well, good. I'm glad she made it. I hope she's had a good time. I think everybody here had a good time. Uh-oh. Now you can blow the horn up to the 100-foot mark and be okay. Well, he's not okay. He's not okay. I just hope they don't wipe Calvin's line out down there. So he got disqualified. 283.10. 283.10, but it was all in vain. That 0.9 miles an hour over 8 done him in. Well, Josh, Gordon, Indiana, that's not too terribly far from you. They've got a good track up there. I've been up there before. They've got a good track. 16,000 pound, I think Nick said. Let me see. Back up here. Yeah, 16,000 pure stock, dual wheels allowed. JW, Gordon, Indiana, June the 16th. 16,000 pound pure stock, dual wheels allowed. Gordon, Indiana. That ain't too far from you. I bet it's closer than here. About the same? I think that's right.
That's Russell Springs. Some side and some hadn't, so I didn't know. It's in Heath.
Yeah, we was up like that. Is that going to be inside again, Russellville?
That's Russell Springs, right?
Oh, Russell.
And
Yeah, no, it's outside. It's like it's a sand track and you get a bite. Better than dirt. Sand is better than dirt. They put sand on the top of the road.
JW, there's a 16,000 open up there too.
You know I can't compete with that.
Maybe Danny can get his fat tractor out for 16,000. I said,
30.5 on one he's going to bring the full.
well, he said it was too heavy.
They're going to fuss about them 30.5.
But it come out with them, didn't it?
I say it did.
I think so. They were short but really wide. And
10-foot wide going down the road.
he'll need a wide load sign, won't he? Oh.
This is number 12 out of 29.
And a 16,000 6-mile-an-hour too in Gordon.
I'll be farming there.
JWB farming in, he said. Oh, me.
What am I at on that next flag?
226.56, 226.56 at 7.6 miles an hour for Travis Pickett. Caitlin Park will be up next. Harley McIntyre and Braden Shive. Nick, we're doing some advertisement for you. We'll keep doing it, old buddy. We can't see a lot, so we might as well talk a lot. Yeah, just wandering around. Just wandering around. I think all three, those two and that tractor, I think all three of those are his. I think that's right. I've drove that old tractor there before. That old thing's stout. That old tractor is stout. All right, Caitlin Park will be up next, followed by Harley McIntyre, Braden Shive, Josh Jesse, Ty Tucker, Blake Garman, Isaac Pointer, and Dylan Brown. Here's the fuse box. That's where we blew a fuse earlier, and it got in the dark and the cold. We got a fine heater here, but can't use it. Blow a fuse. It's been a heck of a pull. Everything was in the class it was supposed to be in, and I wouldn't have wanted that job. But the hotter tractors have been in the hotter classes, and as you can see, the pure old farm tractors, they're all in the pure old farm tractor class the way it's supposed to be. But I figured we started at 2 slow time. I thought we'd be done by 8, 9, nah. Be more like 11. That's okay. We've had a good time, been a good show. Hopefully raise some money for Metcalfe County FFA. Hart County Fair, July the 7th. Litchfield, the Crusade for Children benefit is 2 weeks from today. I got a little bit of everything there. 225.49, 225.49, 5.1 miles an hour for Caitlin Park. Yeah, I didn't get to come to that one. I was somewhere in West Tennessee. Whenever y'all came down here and pulled, we was somewhere. I think that was probably the Cozair pool, maybe. And that's the only one of them I missed since it started. But we was already booked in West Tennessee. That's just what happens sometimes. I don't know. We're about halfway through this class, maybe. Hello, Stephen. We're going to turn this thing off because our battery's about dead. I got a charger in the car, but it won't charge unless the key's on. That's the imports for you. Thanks for watching, y'all. See ya.